Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this video, we're gonna check out the Hostinger website builder, which is the AI website builder. So let's explore it. That how we are going to have the experience with it. So let's get started. I will first log into my account. I have purchased premium web hosting of the Hostinger. So we have almost five websites yet, and we can include many others as well. So this is the domain which is of our YouTube channel basically. Okay, so let's go to the websites, and in here in the website list, we can create. Okay, so we have to click over here, add website. And we have here multiple options like Hostinger Horizons, WordPress, Hostinger Website Builder, and custom PHP HTML website. For now, I will be using this one, Hostinger Website Builder, the AI powered drag and drop website builder. So let's see how it's gonna work for us. Okay, I clicked on it and it will now start the process. Okay, so it has redirected us to the builder.hostinger.com. You can see a change in the URL basically. Okay, so let AI create a website for you. We have to add here a brand name, a description. Okay, so I want to create, we can say, uh, let's create an e-commerce website of t-shirts, we can say. So I'm gonna write here baggy t-shirts. So it will be the brand name, and I'm gonna add here that I wanna create a e-commerce website to sell my products, which are t-shirts in many categories. It can be male, female tests. Okay, so I think it will. We can also tell them the theme as well, but ask. I guess we should ask for a blog page as well. Create a blog page there as well. Smooth checkout and add to cart functionality. Now read P. Include all the features a e-commerce website should have. Okay, so I have given, I guess this much description is cool. Okay, add only store to my site. This is, now we just have to click on create a website. Okay, getting AI services ready. Let's see what it's gonna do for us. Meanwhile, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't. I have posted very informative videos regarding how you have to host your website on Netlify, on Hostinger, and on Warsaw, and there are many informative things that you can learn from it. Okay, so it is almost done. Okay, I'm so excited to see that what it is going to build. Okay, come on. Taking some time. Okay. And this is the website which is ready. Baggy t-shirts for everyone. I guess it is very nice. Oh my goodness. Cool. Pretty much better, I can say. Let's check out shop page. Shop page is also very clear, we can say. Obviously, we can add the products of our own. Blogs are also fine, we can say. Yeah, they're really good. God, contact us. Good. Impressive. Actually, really good. And what about this? So, this is in our cart, we can say. We can delete it anytime. Okay. Okay, so here we have the option of create again. And we have a color palette as well. Let's check out that how it gonna change the colors. Okay, changing the colors. I guess this one is fine. I'll go with this one. Yeah, fine, pretty much good. Let's see the mobile version, the mobile view. It is also really good. And let's check out what it is going to do when we gonna click here create again. Let's check it out. Okay, create another website version. So let's see. I guess it will give some design different to this one. Let's see what it is going to do. But the website was really good, I must say. Okay, so website has been changed over there. So this is the website. It is good too, we can say. Yeah, it is good too. It has, we can say, all basic things to display. That should be there, we can say. And all the things are there. You can see, like this one. This is also really good. The content is displayed beautifully. Blogs are also good. Yeah, I like this one. Okay, continue to set up your store. I'll click here, continue. Okay, so here we got create multiple product page template, create and customize template for different product categories, sale campaigns, and etc. Okay, we're gonna cross it here from now. Okay, now we have the option to edit it. Like we can edit it, but first of all, I gonna check this out. Okay, so we have to connect a domain first. View site. Okay, no, this is not the one. We can check it out. We have to. We can set it all up from here. Like we can add much more elements from here. Add elements, any element you want to add, you can add like the image, the video, the map, anything. It's really good. Like you don't need to have codes, and you don't need to learn coding to make a website now. It's really good. The store and all that. Multi-language option is also there. Let's check this out. Okay, add multiple language to your website so visitor can browse in their language. Select the language. I'm gonna select Urdu as well. This one. I will be selecting Arabic as well. Add language. I will be adding English as well. And English will be the default one. I'll be making it default. English is the default one, and we can also browse it in Urdu and Arabic. So I guess it's very, very good. Like for English, I'm gonna add this flag. For Urdu, I'm gonna add this flag. For Arabic, I'm gonna add this flag. Very nice. And here it is shown. Like it's really amazing. Okay, so click over here, connect domain, your temporary domain. Let's check visit anyway. Okay, this is our domain. Here is our website live. It's so cool and I am literally loving it. Very cool, man. Let's check this out. Shop now. Why it is not functional? Okay, some of the buttons don't have the link and you can add them manually. So otherwise it's really cool. You can make your own store within minutes, we can say. It's too good. Okay, let us see that how we can track the orders and all the things. Orders. They have the orders bar here as well. Product pages. These are the product pages. We can manage the product as well. It is really, really cool, man. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to change the things which are here. We are pretty much cool, we can say, and they are really easy. Like you click over here, you can add any text, you can add any button. You guys can explore these by your own. Let me connect a domain for you guys. Change domain, and let's see what is going to happen. Open. Okay, so here we have the domain name. If you want to use the subdomain of a domain which you have already purchased, then it will be free. But if you want to buy a new domain, then it will be obviously paid and you have to buy that. So I will first go for baggy t-shirts dot parkour community. You guys can also visit it out as I will not remove it, so you can visit it out and you guys can explore it. So domain added to your site, continue. Okay, so we have our domain now. This is the way you can change your domain of the store. Okay, so this is our domain now. View site. This is the domain which I have made the website live. You guys can see it as well here. Okay, here we do not see any option of switching between the languages. Let's see what is happening here. Okay. I guess we have to save changes. Okay, the website was updated. Now let's see. Okay, we have multi languages here now. Let's check it out. Urdu. It didn't do anything, we can say. I guess we have to add the content for the Urdu there, I guess, because it is not automatically changing it all. So we have to automatically, like, we have to add the content for the Urdu and we have to add the content for the Arabic as well. Still, it's good. Okay, so this was the website which we have made using a website builder. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want me to make a video on anything which you are unable to understand, that do comment me below. I'll definitely make a video on that. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Explore all the features of the hosting your AI website builder at by your own, because that is the super fun thing. Thanks for watching. See you next time.